In this video, let's talk about are Nissan Patrol's wheel spacers good or bad? Wheel spacers are aftermarket parts that are placed between the hub assembly and wheel. As long as you use quality wheel spacers and install them properly to prevent flexing and loss of clamp blocks, they are very safe and reliable. Bonus wheel spacers are all forged. The manufacturing process of forge makes the internal structure of the spacer denser and firmer. Meanwhile, the material used is aluminum alloy, and it has many outstanding characteristics such as high strength, wear resistance, excellent techniques, impact resistance, and high temperature resistance. By contrast, Bonus insists on producing professional wheel spacers, which are far higher than the industry's safety and professional standards. If you want to get the bonus wheel spacers, please make sure to see the link in the description. Thanks for watching and have a great day!